This is one of the Chloris, spreading type of Chloris, and two species have been given as identity. So that I have to put for reconfirmation. It's a very attractive grass and it has spreading habitat. That is, its new shoots emerge from that base clump, and then it spreads. And then this one is quite it's a good fodder grass. That much I could gather. More details I have to confirm after getting the identity from some expert. So overall it is like that, and then tender flower. So it looks like this. It has that beard on top. So that is that beard formation, and it is much taller than the typical that Chloris that we see in the roadside and all. That Chloris barbata. So younger flower is like this one. Then more opened up flower is like this. So this is the overall formation you can see with this. This is the best that I can do. So that's how it looks, and then for photos and all, people can go to Flora of Karnataka. I made one Facebook group. You can go there and see more detailed photos and all will be there. For video purposes, this is about it. So flower. Here you can see the full flower. That's the flower. That little red thing what you see is the flower. Then various stages of maturity of the flower and all is there. That I can't show in the video today. So that's all. The whole thing is very graceful and tall. It also it can form a because it spreads by from the root suckers. Here, for example, wherever it spreads out like this, here it will, if it touches the ground, new nodes will come here, new roots from each node. So once it is introduced, then it will spread sideways and form a clump formation. That's one thing about this particular Chloris. Then another thing, it has this part, that beard, or I don't know what it's called, that one. one thing. Then we can see the base also of the plant. It is in a pot like that. Original plant is there here in the ground. Then it has started already spreading out. If it touches some water somewhere, here new plant will come. So once you introduce it, it will spread nicely, and it has a very attractive fresh green look. Tender shoots and all are edible for animals, cows and horses and sheep and goat and all. And then since it spreads by itself, it is quite easy to introduce and then maintain as a pasture grass. So it spreads on the ground sideways and forms very graceful clumps of flowers from November onwards. And in the ground, in a nutritious soil, it becomes much bigger also. Here in a small pot we have grown it, and sometimes we forget to water and all. So for all those reasons, it is a bit shrunk. There is 10 times magnified. It looks like this, I go. Anyway, this is the one, and then you grown it in a small pot here, like that. So one stem we can observe now from bottom to top, so that the whole outlook is known. This one, so it emerges from the root over there, from that mother clump here. Here it's emerging, and then forms a little clump. It is not rooted because it is not coming in contact with the soil there. Then as you go up in the plant, take it upwards like that. You can see that hairy that hairs on the nodes is one indication to identify. Then very fresh leaf color, fresh and like kind of succulent type of green color is there. Then as you come up, that same stem, more and more nodes, and finally one flower bud. That is this one. This flower bud is there with that beard. It's actually very, very intricate. Then there's one more flower that is only one flower. So that is one stem we saw, and one more stem we want to see. This one. So it comes like that. Becomes quite tall, and the flowers are very beautiful flowers. They come on top like that, and finally end of the stem. It becomes 4 feet, 5 feet, 6 feet and all, this one. So one of the Chloris,